Can you guys hear me? Guys, if you guys can hear me, leave a comment below if you guys can hear me, because I cannot hear you if I'm lagging. If I'm lagging, let me know. If you guys can hear me, let me know. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Let me set this up real quick. I'm sorry I'm late, so as you guys know, yeah, it's dropping. I know I'm gonna get into the charts in just a second. This is BTC USDT right here. And of course, guys, we did increase it by 75 basis point, of course. Echo. Really? Is it an echo? Let me see. Just a second. You guys say it's an echo, right? Let me see. Oh, man. Okay, so give me a second. Hello. 1 2 1 2. Audio input. Let me see. Maybe I can use my MacBook Pro. I don't know why, but this thing has not been going so well. Okay, what about now? Can you guys hear me now? Okay, so give me a second. Hello. 1 2 1 2. Let me see. Maybe I can use my MacBook Pro. I don't know why. Okay, what about now? Can you guys hear me? Oh man, this sucks. This echoes horrible. Okay, now it should be good 100%. There's no question now. I don't see a reason why this shouldn't be good. Let's see. There shouldn't be an echo. Yeah, I am on the desktop audio right now. No, you guys cannot hear me, or there's no echo. What about now? Okay, I'm reducing it. Guys, I haven't been in my studio in literally a week, so now I'm back home. Obviously, everything's okay. I've been traveling, and I've been very busy. But I hope now there's no echo. So if you guys can please clarify with me, is there an echo right now? The second. Does it seem okay? Still an echo? Damn. Yeah, the desktop audio is off. Okay. Hello. Okay, what about now? Here. Now it could be okay, right? Is now okay? Is it good now? Is it good now? It's good. God damn. Are you guys kidding me right now? What is going on? I don't have another device open. I don't have anything. That's the thing. That's the problem. I don't have anything open. Alright, this sucks. I might need to stop this live stream if this echo keeps on happening. Oh man, this sucks. What about now? I'm not using two mics at once. I'm not actually. me see. Let me see if I can do something right here. No, I'm not using two mics. I'm not using two mics. Perfect? You guys say it's perfect. It's good. Everything's okay. Everything works. Everything's fine. It seems like the stream is in a bit of a delay. Sound is low. Yeah, I'm talking. I'm talking. I'm talking. All right, it's good. Okay, perfect. Perfect. I'm saying something. Can you guys hear me? Yeah, I know. I know my delay is 45 seconds. I don't know why. I could see that I have a crazy delay. I mean, it's fine. 45 seconds is not so crazy, but yeah, I could see on the screen. I could see the chart right here. It says 43 seconds on the bottom right, and I don't know why. Let me see something. I don't know why I have a delay, but it is what it is. Anyways, we do have a nice little crazy fake out right now happening on Bitcoin. We're going to get into Bitcoin in just a few seconds. Let me just take this away real quick. Okay, so this is Bitcoin, guys. Looking at it at, you guys can hear me. Okay, perfect. It's good. Awesome. Love you guys. Okay, so Bitcoin right here. As you guys can see, I am on a Luna short. Nothing really happened. I'm up 52 bucks. I was up like $150 a few seconds ago. This is not a Luna Classic, not Lunc. It's Luna. This is Luna 2.0. I was on a short right here. We came all the way down, peaked all the way down, and it seems like we're making a nice little comeback to the top. Of course, the Feds did increase the basis points right here. 75 BPS. It was all over Twitter. You guys know, nothing new, nothing too crazy. Well, where can we go right now? Well, we do need to look at Bitcoin. It's really hard to read Bitcoin. Well, it's not that it's really hard to read Bitcoin. You guys shouldn't be essentially trading in these bad times. And this was the symmetrical triangle that Bitcoin was in, and now we're essentially coming back down and retesting the support region. The question is are we going to come below this area right here? Now, we had a lot of fake outs, and it's important, guys, not to trade in these zones. So right here, of course, we have a nice little support region sitting at 18,722, and of course right here, this is a very important support region. If we have a look at the EMA ribbon on Bitcoin, we are still below it. We got a rejection right here, as you guys can see, and another one right here. And overall, that's about it. Let's have a look at some of the chats real quick. Maybe I can read. Let's see. The sound is too low. Maybe try to put your volume higher, please. If anyone has some questions about crypto, let's have a look at Terra, Luna, Lunc right now. Nothing too crazy. We did come back and retest this nice little area right here. We are below the trend line, which is not the best thing, obviously. I mean, we know the trend is your friend until it bends, right? So this is pretty much what is happening right now. Terra Luna currently is below the trend line, and that's about it. We did come back. In my opinion, we should be coming back and retesting this region at 24, but we're going to have to see. It seems like there's fake outs all over the market right now. If we have a look at Bitcoin, we had a massive move at 6 GMT time. I don't know what your time zone is, but we had, in literally the past 4 hours, we had a 7% move. Let's have a look at the 1 hour time. This is the 1 hour candle, guys. In 1 hour, we had 7% increase and decrease on Bitcoin, which is pretty crazy. And this was the pump and dump. Now, we know in situations like this, inflation, FOMC, we usually have either dumps and pumps or pumps and dumps. And this is exactly what is happening right now. I know a lot of people said anything above 75 would be bearish and anything below 50 would be bullish. Well, that's not really the case. I mean, or it is the case in fact, but we're going to have to see. Look at XRP. XRP is pumping. Let's have a look at XRP. I mean, XRP is not really pumping, but if you guys saw my video that I made on XRP a few days ago, Where was it on the 1 hour? I did mention that right here, if we break this area right here, we were essentially gonna fly. And we did fly. I mean, 17%. We exploded pretty much 17% since my last XRP video. Why are the feds mad? The feds are not mad. We need to bring inflation down. In order for us to bring inflation down, we need to raise interest rate. Now, the Dixie right here is currently sitting at an all-time high, sitting at 111, and we keep on pumping. Now, we know when the Dixie goes up, risky assets come down, right? And that is exactly what is happening right now. The Dixie is currently flying. A lot of people thought that it was going to come down. We're entering a nice little parabolic stage on the Dixie. And the reason why Bitcoin and everything is dumping is because the Dixie has been pumping. Now, where can we go on the Dixie, which is also a very, very big indicator? Well, we could make a move all the way to 120. If the Dixie makes a move to 120, this is essentially when Bitcoin will bottom out. Now, if we zoom out real quick, in 2017 right here, this is when the Dixie topped up, and then of course this is where the bull market started, of course. The bear market, sorry, and vice versa. We know when the Dixie goes up, that's when it's a bear market. When we go down, that's when it's the bull market, right? So right here we have a bear market, the Dixie is going up, and that's pretty much what's happening. So is it cool to short Lunc? Can Bitcoin go down to $14,000? Yes, I think Bitcoin can definitely go down to 14K in my opinion. My target for Bitcoin is anywhere between $9,000 to $12,000. I'm going to get and explain why $9,000 is my target. But yes, we could definitely go to $14,000. Of course, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. But of course, this will affect Lunc in some way. So if I take this and I put this box right here, we know that's a very, very important area right here. Important area of conflict. Right here we also have a important support region, and right here a support region right here, and another support region right here. So right now it's approximately $12,000. The bottom is 8.1. Now, why do I think Bitcoin can go to $9,000? Well, if we have a look at the CME gaps, guys, these are gaps, okay? Right here, we got a gap right here, we got a gap right here, and we got a gap right here. Now, we know every time we do gaps, we usually come back and fill them, right? Let me fix my camera real quick. Just give me a second. Guys, if you haven't drank water, make sure you drink some water. Very, very important. 1 second. Give me a second. I'm fixing my camera. Anyways, so we know, right? We always come back down and fill gaps. Right here, we have a gap at 9,300, and we have another one right here at 27,000, and another one at 34,000. So we know we're obviously and eventually going to come back up and refill these gaps. So yes, my target for Bitcoin is anywhere in this region to essentially buy very, very heavy. Of course, you could dollar cost average as it goes down, but that's it on Bitcoin. So is it cool to short? Can you please look at ETH? Yeah, I could look at ETH. I could definitely look at ETH. Guys, by the way, for those of you guys who don't know, MEXC was the first exchange to essentially list ETHW. So if you guys want to go ahead and sign up with my link in the description, you could get up to $9,100 in bonuses. But yes, I could have a look at Chili's. I will have a look at Ethereum. I'm going to have a look at Terra Luna right now. This is the Luna charts right here. 1 second. Anyways, let's have a look at, let's see. Check on ETH short. I mean, yeah, I could have a look at ETH real quick. We're going to do one by one. This is the weekly, obviously. Let's have a look at the 4-hour time frame. Wow, the 4-hour time frame, it just looks confused, guys. I mean, ETH doesn't look like we want to go anywhere. It's just really like we had a nice little bounce, and we're pretty much making higher lows right here. We are still above the trend line. We didn't successfully close below it, but if we do, that could be pretty bad. We're gonna have to see where this goes. 10 to 12K. Yes, 10 to 12K is definitely possible, guys. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Leave a like. Sol, yes, we could have a look at Solana. Let's have a look at Solana real quick. Solana, it seems like we did get rejected right here. Wow, Solana had a beautiful rejection right here, guys. Look at that. If I take this and I extend that, 3053 is a very strong area of conflict. I mean, we got a nice little rejection right here, another one right here, another one right here, another one right here, and another one right here. So whoever longed Solana here, let's say 5x, you are making bank in my opinion. 5 times 8, 40. You're making pretty good profit right here on Solana. Solana's looking pretty good. We are breaking out of this channel right here. So we were in this nice little channel. And overall, things are looking pretty good for Solana. We're going to have to see. So this is my update on Solana. Any news on Cardano? Supposed to have a huge update. I don't know regarding Cardano. I don't like Cardano personally. But it seems like we did have a same fake out. It seems like we also did come back and retest this support region right here sitting at 43. So this was a resistance, and I mean a support, and we had a nice little explosion from here. Will Lunc dump more? That's a good question. I mean, guys, we're gonna have to see it. So here, there's two things you want to look at. People who count the wicks, this will be Lunc, okay? People who count the wicks, Lunc will do something like this, okay? We're still above the trend line, but if you count the bodies, we're actually below. We're below the trend line. So will it dump more? I don't know. We're going to have to see. It seems like Bitcoin right now is pumping again. 75 basis point is up and down. There's a lot of things happening right now. It's very, very interesting. And, you know, like I said at the beginning, guys, a lot of people said, oh, if it's above 75, it's going to be bearish. If it's below 75, it's going to be bullish. Well, now it's 75, nothing too crazy. And right now, Bitcoin is making a bunch of fake outs, liquidating everyone left and right, and really screwing people over. So this is that pretty much on Lunc. Right here, Luna is currently pumping right now. The regular Luna, we are holding this area pretty well. Powell, I mean, I listened to him already. I listened to JP talk right now, and that guy, like, it's already done. Basis points are 75. There's nothing too much I can see. Yeah, all coins are faked out. Yes, I agree. Is Lunc gonna be big again, or am I wasting my time and money? I'm holding 1 million right now. I mean, that's up to you. It seems like Lunc is back on the train of following Bitcoin, right? And that's pretty much what's happening right now. Lunc, it seems like it's following Bitcoin. And I mean, the charts are looking the same. Before, what happened is that every time when Lunc would pump, Bitcoin would dump, or vice versa. Bitcoin would dump, Lunc would pump, and when Bitcoin would pump, Lunc would dump. But it seems like right now they're following more or less the same thing, and right now everything is currently flipping green on Bitcoin. Very, very interesting. I mean, that was just weird. I mean, look at this. This was just weird. We had like literally a nice little pump, dump, liquidated everyone. The Fed's this is why I don't trade on days like this. It's just very, very bad. Trading on days like that is like horrible. I don't even know what's gonna happen over here. 15-minute time frame. It seems like we want to make a nice little V recovery shape, but we're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to see, guys. The 1 hour on Bitcoin is looking pretty bullish. It seems like bulls are buying. It seems like they're looking pretty bullish right now. What will happen after the Lunc burn? I mean, that's a good question. Let's have a look at the Lunc burn real quick on MEXC. First of all, guys, the staked is exploding right here. This is something that I do want to talk about. This is a stake token. We went from, I don't know if you guys saw my video earlier today, but we went from 581 million all the way up to 632 million staked, or billion, sorry. Billion, sorry. That is very, very good. And of course, if we have at the top burners right here, things are also looking pretty good. I don't know why it's not loading. Let's see. I don't know why it's not loading. Anyways, oh, here. 2 billion right here, sitting at 2 billion. MEXC centralized exchange sitting at 1 billion. And, you know, it's really unfortunate that Binance didn't really properly implement the burn. KuCoin also didn't really properly implement the burn. They're going to be doing the 1.2% burn on deposits and withdrawals only, which is really annoying in my opinion. Just in, Do Kwon arrested? Has Do Kwon been arrested? I don't know. That's really crazy news. He was, no, I don't know if Do Kwon was arrested. I don't see anything that Do Kwon was arrested. No. He got a warrant. He didn't get arrested. Do Kwon didn't get arrested yet. He got a warrant. I don't see anything on Do Kwon getting arrested. What do you think about SHIB? Shiba, I mean, it's wow, Bitcoin is really making a comeback, and Lunc is pumping right now. Let's see if Lunc can essentially come back. Wow, look at this pump, guys, by Lunc. Terra Luna is currently pumping as I am doing this live. Look at this. We are back above. So if we count the bodies, guys, once again, on the 4 hour time frame, Terra Luna Lunc is currently pumping as I am doing this video. Things are looking pretty good. I mean, look at this. Look at this pump. Holy. This is looking very good and promising. Maybe we could be entering some sort of triangle right here. Can this be a triangle on Lunc? Yes. Maybe. I mean, it's also a bear flag. Not only are we in a bear flag, but we're also in a triangle, ascending triangles. Now we know ascending triangles are bullish, but of course no promises. Let's see what the target can be. Right here, higher lows, we're going sideways, getting rejected at resistance. If I take this and put it at the breakout, our target for Lunc can be 43. But once again, guys, there's no promises. Lunc is pumping right now. The question is, are we going to close the 4-hour candle above it or below it? So that's going to be very, very interesting. Man, watch Sol. Why Sol? Oh man, Sol's also pumping. Holy. I mean, Sol I kind of knew was pumping because we were in an ascending channel. I mean, descending channels right here. And we know descending channels usually pump to the upside, right? So when you're in a descending channel, when you're in an ascending channel, right, you're going to come back down. But when you're in a descending channel, you are usually going to come back to the upside. So, yeah, I mean, this pump is not, it's not really surprising to me. The only thing is that people who did have a long right here, let's say, and had a stop loss right here, which is very, very unfortunate, the whales did liquidate everyone right here. But Terra Luna, guys, is pumping. Look at this. Let's have a look at the 10-minute, 5-minute time frame on Terra Luna Lunc real quick. Look at this. We are making a comeback. Terra Luna is exploding. Holy moly. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Wow. The RSI, I mean, on what time frame? You need to tell me on what time frame you want me to check the RSI on Lunc. I don't know what time frame you want me to look at. There's so many time frames. I'm on the 5-minute. Whoa, guys, this is crazy. Lunc is exploding on this live. Look at this. From the top, you would have been up 10% already. That is crazy. Guys, Terra Luna Lunc is rolling right now. It is absolutely rolling. Things are looking very, very good. Wow. Look at this pump. Are we going to hold this pump is the ultimate question. Terra Luna. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. What do you guys think? Will Terra come back down, or are we going to go back to 43 to my target like I mentioned a few seconds ago? That is insane. Look at this, guys. As I am talking and eating chocolate because I need energy. Yeah, Sol is pumping. I agree. Sol's pumping as well, but, Luna is pumping it's pumping like crazy. Just in 5 minutes where, look at this. It's not stopping. That is crazy, guys. I'm eating chocolate. Because I need energy for you guys. If you haven't hit a like on this live stream, make sure you do. Wow. Okay, so 5-minute time frame real quick on Lunc. So this is a 5-minute time frame right now on Lunc. This is a pretty strong area of resistance right here. So we got a rejection right here, we got another one right here, we got another one right here, and we have support. Boom. Exactly. So you see, this is what I was saying literally a few seconds ago, that this is a very, very strong support resistance area, and a rejection right here. Now we're currently getting a rejection right now. If we close a 5-minute above it, that would be very, very good. But I would not FOMO into this. If you guys are on spot already, fine, fantastic. You guys keep your spot position open, but I would not essentially I would not FOMO into this. Guys, make sure you stay under leverage. Don't be over leveraged, please, and that's it. That's all I have to say. Yes, this is the Lunc chart. Right here. Lunc chart, 5-minute time frame. Ape is pumping. Oh man, look at this. Things are flying. ApeCoin is flying. Wow. But Lunc, guys, is absolutely exploding. Let me finish this chocolate real quick, because I do want to stay on this live for quite some time. Anyways, guys, so 36 seconds is when we essentially close this candle right here. If we manage to close above this resistance, that would be very, very good. If we close it like that, that would also be very, very good. Is sand pumping? I mean, everything is pumping. But I believe that everything will essentially dump eventually because we are still in a bear market. Yeah, we will drop. Yes, we will definitely drop. Wow, look at this V-shaped recovery by Sand. Beautiful. That's a beautiful V-shaped recovery by Sand. Crazy. Let's draw some resistance on Sand. This is resistance on Sand right here. Resistance on Sand. Another one right here. So, I don't know. Bitcoin is really the most important one. Pumping 4%. Wow, Bitcoin's exploding. Yeah, everything is pumping. Everything is pumping. Look at that. Everything is pumping. Look, Bitcoin is going crazy. Bitcoin's absolutely going berserk right now. That is an ugly candle. I mean, look at this. Look at this, guys. This is so ugly. I don't even know what to say. Lunc closed pretty good. Let's have a look on yeah, on the 1 hour, we still have 15-minute time frame on Lunc right here. This is on the 1 hour time frame. Looking pretty good. On the 4 hour, we're also definitely looking very good. I mean, we are back above the the trend line, which is a very good sign on Terra Luna Lunc. So things are looking very solid. Wow, what a pump. What a pump. I mean, you might as well put a rocket right here on Lunc. I mean, if I take a rocket right here, where the hell is the rocket? Let me see. I mean, the target should be right here for Lunc. The target, if we are in an ascending triangle, the target should be approximately at 32. We're going to have to see. We're going to have to see, guys. I do need to get water, so give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Yeah, I mean, this could be a nice little increase. 1 second. So overall, guys, my thought, I think that Bitcoin will eventually come back down, in my honest opinion. And regarding Lunc, there's two things I want to have a look at, first of all. Number one is the exponential moving average. If we have a look at the EMA ribbon real quick on Lunc, okay, we know that every time we go above or near the exponential moving average, we always get rejected. So we got a rejection right here, and we had another one right here, okay? And exactly at the EMA ribbon. So we know the exponential moving average don't lie, right? Exponential moving average don't lie. We got two rejections right here, and we still haven't closed above the EMA ribbon in quite some time. So we got a rejection right here, another one, two right here, and of course another one right here. Now we know every time we're above the EMA ribbon, we are bullish, right? But when we're below it, we're bearish. So this is exactly what is happening right now. But we're bearish below it, and of course when we're above it, we're bullish. We get supported by the EMA ribbon on Terra Luna Lunc, guys. If you haven't put a like, make sure you smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. It would indeed is pumping. Yes, I agree. Ripple is pumping right now. Yes, Ripple is looking pretty good. Wow, look at this pump. That's crazy. Wow. So another thing, look at that. Another good area of the EMA ribbon. We had a nice little fake out right here, but guess what? We came back, rejected. We got rejected by the EMA ribbon. Came back down, rejected by the EMA ribbon. So we know every time we're at the EMA ribbon, we're very bullish. And when we're below it, we're very bearish. So this is not a lie. This is, this is what the charts are saying. But look at this. Look at XRP. I mean, look at that. We came all the way back down and then pump all the way back up. I mean, this is why I don't trade in FOMC days. 14% in 1 day. That is crazy. Retrace to 44,500? No, I don't think so. I don't think Bitcoin retraces to 44,500. That's too much. That's too much. I mean, 44,500 is like way too much. If we have a look at the weekly time frame, that is just crazy. 44,500 would be approximately right. Would be right here. 44,500. I don't think we retrace that high. No way. No way. That would be too crazy. And of course, guys, on the weekly time frame on Bitcoin, we are still below the EMA ribbon, so we could come back to as high as 24,374. And another thing is not the exponential moving average, but the Elliott wave. So we know the Elliott wave consists of 5 patterns or 5 waves. Can this be the fifth wave to 12K? Yes, in my opinion, we could have that nice little, or the 12th wave to $12,000. We're gonna have to see. But things are looking okay right now, and it seems like this wave is happening. It seems like we are in the middle of the fifth wave right now. We know the fifth wave can be bigger than the fourth wave, and than the third wave, and we know the fourth wave can be bigger than the second wave. Oh, you mean, okay, yeah. Kadena. Guys, Kadena is still one of my favorite altcoins out there, but it's not looking too great, obviously. We are in a bear market. It's not doing much also. KD is not really doing anything. On the weekly time frame, we did make so pretty much Kadena on the weekly, we made an all-time low, and we haven't been this low since right here, since pretty much a year ago, since September 6th, 2021, we haven't been this low. We came back all the way down. I thought that this was going to be the breakout to essentially come back all the way down to 75, but that didn't happen, obviously, and that's about it. Matic, Polygon, yeah, we could have a look at Matic, Polygon real quick. Matic is not looking too great also. I mean, we did have, like, once again, guys, we did have this nice little rejection, and it seems like we are in a bull flag on Matic. So this would be the bull flag right here, as you guys can see. Bull flag, boom, what could the target be? If I take this and I extend that and I take that and I put it right here, the pull target for Matic could be 1.6. Of course, that's on the weekly time frame. Are we going to see that? Most likely not. The reason why is because we are in a bear market now. Bullish patterns in a bear market usually aren't as accurate as in a bull market. So if we had something like this and came down and this, and then we had a bear flag, then we could essentially make a nice little move to the top side. But I don't know. Ravecoin, yeah, Ravecoin is exploding, but it's like pretty much exploding as much as all the other altcoins. Nothing too much to see, to be honest. We do have a very, very, very strong resistance right here on Ravecoin, and it seems like we did get rejected right here, and we're getting rejected right now at the moment. And of course, we do have a support region right here on Ravecoin as well. We have this nice little fake out from the FOMC meeting, and that's about it. But interest rate right now are sitting at 3.5%. If we have a look at a 10-year run or 25-year run, the interest rate haven't been this high since right here, since 2008, 2009, which is pretty big. Can we make a move to 6? Very, very possible. I mean, inflation is still high overall. Inflation is still very, very high. Let's have a look at... Yeah, Terra Luna is looking, Lunc is looking okay in my opinion. It's not looking so bad. Yeah, like we had this nice little decline right here, but we had a quick recovery. Let's have a look at the Stochastic Rsi real quick. Stochastic Rsi. Stochastic Rsi do want to go back up on the 4-hour time frame. It seems like we are trying to make that nice little flip on Lunc. On the stock RSIs right here. So this is Stochastic Rsi on Lunc. It seems like we do want to essentially make that crossover over the orange and make a nice little move or explosion to the top side. We're overall going to have to see how this happens and how this... please turn the mic a little bit higher. Okay, here. What about now? Is the mic looking good? Mic looking good, guys. Am I laggy even? It seems like I'm laggy. Guys, am I laggy? Can anyone confirm if I'm laggy? Hey, Loy, thank you for the donation, man. I appreciate that. Will inflation come down by the end of this year? No, I don't think inflation will come down by the end of this year. Alright, good. Okay, awesome. Okay, cool. Do you think Lunc can delete a 0 by the end of this year? Yes, I do think that Lunc can delete a 0 by the end of this year if the burn keeps on happening. Now, of course, I think MEXC did stop the burn, which happens, but I really do believe that they can essentially take out 1-0 if the burn keeps on happening, if staking keeps happening. The burn volume is looking okay. I mean, we had a crazy amount of burn volumes right here. Of course, this was both from the MEXC exchange And now it seems like we're just like, going up and down, nothing too crazy. It kind of decreased a little bit, and the reason why that is because, I mean, if we have a look at coin market cap, right? Coin market cap does show a lot, and we have a look at Lunc, then we can see that the volume decreased a little bit. Now, like, yeah, we are up 17% the past 24 hours, so there's been a lot of volume today because of the FOMC. But 632 compared to what it was 2 weeks ago or a week ago, we were sitting at even $3 billion worth of volume in Lunc. So it did decrease a little bit, but that's okay. You think Bitcoin will hit 19999 20,000 pretty much? No, I don't think Bitcoin will hit. Oh well, I mean we pretty much almost did hit $20,000, but no, I don't. Maybe. I mean, I don't think we passed 20,000. Like, I don't think we're gonna reach 24,000, $20,400 today. I don't think we passed by this resistance, in my opinion. That's just my opinion, of course, though. So you guys take it with a grain of salt. Why do you think Lunc will take another zero in a bear market? Because Lunc is very different from this bear market. If you're talking about Doge or Shiba or anything, no, I don't think so. But Lunc is like very, very different. Guys, am I lagging? Can anyone confirm if I'm lagging? So, what caused inflation? I mean, COVID caused inflation pretty much. COVID, they were printing so much money. There was a lot of relief packages, and they needed to give money to people. And yeah, I mean, that's what pretty much caused inflation. COVID. My camera's lagging, but what about the charts? Yeah, I know it's lagging. I don't know why. No lag? I mean, okay. So it's just my, okay, just my camera. Okay, I see. Anyways, so this is what's happening right now with inflation, and that's about it overall. We're gonna have to see. I don't know why I'm lag. Let me see. Let me see this real quick. Yeah, I know I'm lagging. No, I am lagging on the charts. I can see that I'm lagging on the charts. I don't know why though. That's the question.